Ni Charis Pengpeng ayon sa report ay pinagsasaksak ito ng kalahating beses. Mula pa rin dito sa Metro Manila Chapel Hall, Gali-Gali, Pontiac. Balik sa'yo, Marjorie Binareta. Eh, wag nga!
Hindi yung English, yung The Insider.
Huh?
Yung The Insider.
And other Philippine business news, the Philippine Stock Exchange was probably going up. Where else that?
Hindi yung tatay ni Charis. Ulitin mo ako, nare. Sige na, yung headline.
Headline.
Today's headline.
Today's headline of
Sige na.
Dapat ba ikaw, saan bigyan babasahin ko kung nangyari?
Wala nga. Yung newspaper mo kanina, yung Manila Bulletin.
Bakit yung beauty naman nakaganito ako?
Astig kayo, Justin Bieber.
And other Philippine headlines, Charis Pengpeng father died yesterday from the exclusive report of Tina Pangaliban Perez in Manila Catedral Home. Tina. Yes, Marjorie. Wala, pag nasa mood lang ako, pag biglaan lang siya.
Ayan.
Ano ba, sino bang magaling mag-report?
Si Mike Enriquez.
Ay, hindi ko
Si Mel Chanco.
Basta may ko lang ako, gusto ko lang din. Hindi, gusto.
Si Mark Logan. Si Mark Logan.
Patayin mo makabig.
Hindi naka-record.
Dali, mag-isip ako.
Hindi pa naka-record.
Minsan dapat may binabasa akong newspaper.
Oo. Asan na ba yung newspaper? Yung kanina? Di ba yung kanina may newspaper?
Ayun na. Ganun. Another Philippine business news, the Philippine Stock Exchange was gone up in at least 0.3% in this year. According to the Philippine Exchange Commission, the Philippines nawala na ako. The Philippines na lang. Cut mo! Cut!
Cut.
In a Hollywood report from the Entertainment Tonight, here we go. Justin Bieber was killed by his girlfriend, Selena Gomez, in his Hollywood country home, Las Vegas. From the Las Vegas, reporting live, Marjorie Barreto. Marjorie. Yes, Gary, according to the Tonight and Press. No, cut.
Kato.
Pag paano na. Dapat gabi, tapos may ilaw.
Oh, spotlight.
Ngayong gabi sa Jessica Su. Ngayong gabi.
Anong topic?
Ulam. Ano bang ulam? Ano bang yung report ni Jessica Su? Ang sinasabing pakbe.